Generative AI is getting more and more popular. QCT provides a generative AI development kit, which integrates the large language models and Intel OpenVINO to accelerate the AI inference performance. We supported different models like RAG infra and also the model fine-tuning with a no-code GUI. These overall packages are integrated on top of the QuantaEdge server, which can secure your data in local. The generative AI development kit can be customized for different industry of its specific know-how. For example, in the smart manufacturing scenarios, there might be some issues happens in the equipment in the factories, like robotic arms. Then the operators need to know how to troubleshoot. So with this development kit, actually you can input the data of the troubleshooting guides into the models. And then development kit will generate the models and input it into the pad, which the operators using for the monitoring. So that is how the generative AI development kit helps to accelerate the process to adopt the generative AI applications. Thank you.